The third topic I'm going to discuss about your stomach. All the problems, whatever the problems, it happens mostly due to the stomach. If you are in the modern world, right, like we are taking a lot of lifestyle and damaging our stomach. So you have to keep your stomach very, very healthy. Sir, how I can understand? How do I know my stomach is healthy or not? Very simple. If you are getting hunger 3 times, morning, afternoon, night time. 3 times you should get hunger. If you don't get hunger in the 3 times, then there is a problem. In case if you don't get a hunger till night, means stop avoiding the food. Maybe you can go for a fasting, other things until you get a hunger. The hunger is very, very important in our body. The God gives a very, very important thing is you are getting a hunger. For a lot of disease, how you can avoid means if you have a proper hunger, most of the disease won't come. So make sure that you are having a proper hunger. And how to improve the stomach? Let's go for a more walk so that stomach energy will you get more. So the third topic, if your stomach become low, if you are not having a low stomach and feel more damp, more dump in your stomach, not able to digest, not able to walk, feeling always heavy, always you want to sit in the room, then it is your stomach is very, very, very low. So go for a more walk. In case if you find if your digestion is not happening, or do some exercise, do yoga, so that we can easily bring up your stomach. So if stomach is not well, because that is the one make your circulation in our body. Here, whatever we are eating, that food has to circulate. I am saying about the acupuncture term, not the anatomy term. It will circulate, like stomach energy. That energy will circulate, all the energy from your body. If it is become low, it won't circulate. It will start store in your body, so that what happens if it start accumulating means if it is accumulating in the heart related area, heart channel means it is a very easy chance of your heart pain. So make sure that your stomach energy is always good. What are the elements where to press in case if you have a stomach is very low means what you have to do. Here, this is the acupuncture point. That is a reflection point, stomach reflection. Here, you can just press 10 to 15 times. You will get a more hunger. So, even if it is just wait for 3 to 4 days, slowly you will get. Just press 15 times, but don't press every day. Just give us some time for the element to work. Okay, so just press 15 times. Otherwise, there is a one point K3 acupuncture point. If you press the K3 acupuncture point, and your energy, your stomach energy will improve a lot. So these are the you can check this K3 acupuncture point. This one, either you press 15 times or you press 15 times your stomach. So make sure your stomach health is very, very important for heart related problem. If your stomach is, you are getting a hunger every time and you are good, definitely you won't get any heart related problem. So make sure your stomach is perfectly all right.